Welcome to clip 13 in this Project 2019 series. What we're going to be looking at during this clip is how we might solve these over-allocation of resources which actually cause these little red men to appear. Now, sometimes the red men will appear because when we've actually put in the tasks, we've not thoroughly thought through what the tasks actually mean and what the people are responsible for. For task number 5 here, I've got obtain cement and sand, which is going to take a day, and I've got Mary allocated to that, and it's going to start on Monday the 21st of the 9th, 2020. Okay, which is fine. Now I've also got obtain the kit as part of the building works, which is going to take 15 days, and I've got Mary allocated to that. Now, of course, and it starts on Monday the 21st of the 9th as well. Now really what that means is that Mary here is allocated 1 day, right, and she's allocated 15 days here. Now, obviously, to obtain the kit, we're not going to take Mary 15 days to do that. It might only take 1 day to make a phone call. Right, so obtaining the kit doesn't actually really consist of 15 days. It might be order the kit, which might be 1 day, and then delivery of kit might take 14 days. Or 15 days. Okay, so this task here is probably not split down correctly. So, if we were to sort this task here, then Mary wouldn't be over allocated, and therefore this red man and this red man would disappear. So let's try and fix that. Okay, so I'm going to go down to task below it, and then I'm going to insert a task. And I'm going to call this new task I'm going to call it delivery of kit. Right, and I'm going to say that's going to take me 15 days. Okay, so notice it's shot in here. Right, obtain the kit. I'm going to say order the kit. Right, that's not going to take 15 days. That's going to take 0.5 days. Right, so it's going to take half a day. And now notice we've got a little arrow here saying click to set the reason for the duration change so that the task can be properly scheduled. Okay, now we're just going to ignore that. And obtaining the cement and sand again is only going to take half a day, right, because it's just going to be phone calls. Okay, so now, if you notice now, whoa, there's no red men. Right, and now that is because we have a slight issue because I put in delivery of the kit now, and notice it hasn't got anything attached to it. Right, now I cannot erect the kit before I've got the delivery of the kit. Okay, so that 10 there has to be changed to an 11. Right, so we've got that shot there. And I can't, the delivery of the kit won't start until I've actually ordered the kit. So this will be number 10. Thus. Okay, so Mary's got half a day here to order the cement and the sand, and then she's got half a day here, which is the same day. Okay, now Project is smart enough to figure out, well, if you're working one thing in half a day and the other thing half a day, then that's fine. Okay, I can do these two things, that'll take up 1 day. So therefore I have got rid of the resource allocation, and now I've actually broken the tasks down probably to be more realistic. Okay. You might say, well, I'm not going to take half a day to order the kit, maybe it's 0.2 days, or you might say, oh no, it's only going to take 1 hour. Okay, so I could put in 1H there, or obtain sand and cement, that might just be 1H as well. Okay, so we've sorted that out there. And because we're actually using the software here to look at how the project is going to progress, then you will notice little issues like that coming up here. Now again, I've just noticed another one here. Obtain the sand and cement. It's going to take Mary half a day to do that. Right, that's fine. But then I'm going to mix the concrete 1 day. So does that mean I'm going to mix all the concrete to lay the foundations that are going to take 3 days in 1 day, but then it'll have 2 days drying? So we've got a wee bit of an issue here, right? Is that mix the concrete and lay the foundations really the same task, right? Or is my duration here actually 4 days instead of 3? Okay, so that those two get rolled up together. And again, that's one of the things that you have to think about when you're working with the project. So again, thanks for listening, and that's the end of this clip, so bye for now.